the Labubu. So I already made this one, so now I'm going to make its little friend one. So I have this nice orange yarn and a 5mm hook, and this is beginner yarn, so if you're new, this is really good to use so you don't pull your threads. I like how chunky it looks. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start, let's go ahead and make a slip knot. So to do this, I'm going to show you the way I always do it. I know there's many ways, but this is what I do, is I just take it behind 2 fingers, I create an X, and I pull through with those 2 fingers. And then now we got our slip knot. Okay, now I am going to chain 13. So this is our foundation chain. Now that we've done our foundation chain, let's do row 1. For row 1, we're going to skip this first V and we are going to go into the second V, doing a single crochet all the way down. So to do this, I'm just going to insert my hook, take the yarn and pull it through. I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull this through those 2. All right, that is a single crochet. Now we're going to do the next one. So when you are done, you should have 12 single crochets. All right, so it should look just like this. For row 2, we are going to chain 2. This is our turning chain, 1, 2, and now we're going to turn it. And so I'm just going to go from this direction to the other direction, and I'm going to stop at the end. I'm not going to go all the way around it. So now I'm going to be doing a double crochet in the back loops only. So to do that, you're going to need to yarn over, and you're going to turn your work to the side, and you're going to see all of your V's. Well, we're going to do the back loop. So this one right here, that one's the front loop. So we're going to just get it behind this back loop right here. So let me show you again. So this loop right here, that's the front loop, and this one's the back. So we're going to be working in this back line right here. So yarn over, insert your hook. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over. You're going to pull this through 2, yarn over, and pull this one through 2. That is a double crochet, so we're going to be doing 12 of those. All right, and we have one more. And I chained 2 already. So let's go ahead and count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So we're going to flip our work again. Yarn over, and we're just doing that same thing. I'll do one more row and I will show you what it looks like at the end. All right, so we're just going to keep doing that same thing. Chain 2, turn your work, and keep working on the back loops only. We're doing this the entire time. And let me show you what it should look like when you are ready to do the next step. It should look just like this, and you know you did it right because you can go ahead and put it on his head. And it should be able to go all the way around. So just like this, you want it to be a little bit tight, but not be stretched out that much. And so just know that you want it to go all the way around the head like this. And that is if you are using a different kind of yarn. If you are using the same kind as me, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's count how many rows we did. So we did obviously the single crochet row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rows. We're going to fold it in single crochet the 2 ends together. I'm going to be decreasing all of these big stretched out ones. It's stretched out because I just did this and I forgot to press film. So normally it wouldn't be this stretched out on yours. To start off, we're going to be doing, this is where I left off right here. So I'm just gonna slip stitch this right here. And I'm gonna put my stitch marker right there. So when I go around, I'll know where I need to end. And I won't go in like 2 circles. Oh my gosh, there we go. All right, so now we're gonna be doing a decrease in a single crochet. So you wanna do it about the same spot all the way around so it looks the same, but don't stress too much. So I'm gonna pick up this one. I'm gonna pick up this one. So this one's like probably one of the turning stitches or something. So I'm just gonna put them both on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to just insert my hook anywhere right here and do a single crochet. Now we're going to do another decrease, so right here, and I am going to pick up, I think last time I picked up this one, so I'm going to try to do that same one. There we go. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, single crochet, decrease, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, single crochet, decrease, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, single crochet, decrease, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease. All right, and I'm gonna, this is normally where I would single crochet, but I am just going to slip stitch this. Pull it through and pull tight. Okay, now you're going to want to use your tapestry needle and weave in your ends. You should only have 2 of them, but weave them in however you like to weave them in. I like to hide mine on the inside seam. All right, inside it back out. I'm going to slide it on. And we got a cute little hat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.